channel, I'm all about decorating, decor, DIYs, thrift flips, cooking, the whole lifestyle. I'm here for it, and I'd love for you to be here for it too. So if you enjoy that type of content, I would love for you to click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell, where you will know when I upload a brand new video. Now, in today's video, we are going to be working on coffee table styling. I'm going to show you how to style your coffee table like a pro. So I want you to sit back and relax. And if you enjoy this video, go ahead and click that like button. It helps so much. Thank you for watching. Now let's get right into it. For the coffee table styling, this tray I got from Home Goods, hammered silver tray, and the price was $16.99. Custom coasters from Tracy Jones Designs. Beautiful purple orchid in a silver canister I got from Burlington. $16.99. Next, I purchased some books for the coffee table, and I ordered these on Amazon. I'll be sure to link those down below. Spring Refresh Tablescape. We're going to start with this velvet runner silver gray. Next, I'm going to bring in my floral. our place setting, I'm using a creamy white plate. And not sure if you can make that out on camera, but it has like a linen or burlap. I believe it was called burlap texture to it. Very pretty. For our salad plate, I have this beautiful purple floral, and it just screams springtime. And then on top of that, I just have a purple bowl. For my napkin, I have a silver gray, I believe they're polyester napkins that I ordered from Amazon. And the bling napkin ring holder is a DIY. And I'm not doing anything special with the napkins, taking them, giving them a little shake, and putting them inside of our DIY napkin rings. And laying them over the bowl. Next, I have beautiful custom-made coasters made by Tracy Jones Design. Link her Etsy shop in the description box below. On to our glassware. This was a new purchase. They're from Bebe. It's a 2-pack, 16-ounce stemless glasses, and they were $12.99 for the 2-pack. And I bought 2 packs for a service of 4. Beautiful. And as a little nod to spring, I have our bunnies, and our bunnies I purchased at Home Goods for $7.99. And our tablescape is now complete.